recording. There they are. I'm about to race that bus though. Look at that guy. GoPro, stop recording. We good. Man, yo, I want to be like Moto though. I got bars. Oh! I'm gonna have my friends come over. And you might see them in this video. I'm not sure about this Don't ever do that. You'll bump me in. Yeah, Angel, why did you do it? Because I just wanted to. I'm blocking them haters though. Hey. They wanted to see me, bro, do a wheelie. They was like, do a wheelie, do a wheelie. I was like, alright, bet. Oh, dang, that hurt. GoPro, stop recording. Little kids looking at me. This thing does a good job climbing hills. By the way, a lot of people have been asking, where did I buy this? Hold up. I bought it from powersportsmax.com and I bought it for $800 or $700. Yeah, $700. It's a 125cc. I recommend it. right here. This is how tall this is. So yeah, this bike isn't too big, but it's a big bike. I'm telling you, like, I feel perfect on it. When I sit down, my knees just fold that much. Literally that much. Anyways, let's get back to the video. This bike up, you gotta like put the choke up, and when it's off, keep it up. I'm just saying, like, put it up when you start it, warm it up, rev it up a little bit, not too much, but, and yeah, when it's all warmed up, put the choke down, and you'll be all set. By the way, you know what's crazy? You know Cody, he rides with Moto Bro. He invited me to go ride with Moto Bro, bro. Shout out to Cody, shout out to Moto Bro and all his friends. MB gang, boy. Oh, I think I hear some buses. Fuck my sister. GoPro, stop recording. Go follow my account. Oh, not that. Dang, 28 likes. This is my normal account. Take a snapshot, whatever you need to do, go ahead. And then right here is my other account. Right here. All that. All types of bikes and all that. Hold on, let me call my boy Aaron. And Alex.
Yeah.
KLX. What's good, KLX? I call him KLX.
Yo, I just started walking to your house. I tried calling you.
Oh, where you at?
I just came out of my street, so I'm walking down Bayview.
Bayview? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know where the hell
You
is?
with Alex?
Yeah, I'm with Alex.
What's good, Alex?
You said, what's good, Alex?
Oh, I'm almost out of gas, dang. Alright. Well, I'll see you later. You want me to come that way real quick?
Huh?
You want me to come that way?
Why?
I don't know. Just saying.
Are you walking or are you riding?
Nah, I'm on the bike.
Well, I don't know.
Alright. I'll probably stay here.
Alright. You better not be messing with me. Alright?
Alright, KLX.
Because I know you always be doing that. You're always trying to, like, mess with me. You're always trying to, like, get me to come over to your house somehow.
Alright.
So, yo, what time did your mom get out of work?
Huh? 5.
Doesn't your grandma have a key or something?
No.
Why doesn't your grandma have a key? Why doesn't anybody have a key?
My mom has the key.
Well,
GoPro, stop recording. I'm gonna bump start it. I'm gonna show you guys how to bump start it. Grab the clutch, put it on first. Alright, all you gotta do is run. Bike, bro. Oh shoot, what the freak is that? Yo. Bro, I'm about to fix that right now. Hold up. Anyways, this is how I bump started. Run as fast as you can. Oh, dang. It don't want to start. Put on second. Try second. Alright. Run. As fast as you can, then let go of the clutch and jump on it. Yeah! Let's get it! Coming over? Hey, you boys, look at that. Coming over? Alright, bet. Bet. What's good, Gigi? Get on. Yeah. Hold up. Never mind. You don't got a helmet right now. GoPro, stop recording. Yo, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I was gonna have my friends over. He's here, but I was gonna start recording, but I guess he didn't want to ride.
We going to Rodney's. I'm getting a KLX tomorrow.
We riding at Rodney's house.
Yeah, we riding for his birthday.
Yeah, we got Team Kawasaki. You already know.
Waiting for my brother so I could go home.
You already know.
I got Angel's Rustler. I traded him for this.
For that junky piece of crap.
For this Losi.
That's a freaking beginner car, bro. It's a bad trade, but I guess people want to buy it in the freaking, what you call that? The Rustler is broken. Guess what I did? I dropped it. I shot it outside my window.
All right, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So we're gonna do a YouTube video tomorrow because I'm about to get that KLX and we're gonna be riding.
You want to do a jump in my backyard?
No.
You're not gonna do that. You see, this dude is all about
GoPro, stop recording.